All right, guys, happy Thursday. Today we're going to read a book called Stars, Stars, Stars for language arts today. So that's by Bob Barner. Stars, stars, stars. Stars, stars, stars. I want to see planets and stars. Bright stars twinkling above big city lights. Distant planets glowing over black country nights. Constellations that take shape when I connect them with lines. Milky Way stars shining 200 billion times. The sun that burns with golden light. Hot planet Mercury turning slowly in the night. Venus, the evening star. First planet to shine in the twilight sky. Blue-green Earth with the dusty moon orbiting by. Stormy Mars, glowing red in the vastness of space. Giant planet Jupiter, moving with grace. Saturn circled by rings, and Uranus spinning on its side. Windy Neptune and tiny Pluto orbiting wide. Shooting stars, streaking tails of sparkling light. The Big Dipper holding a scoop of night. Stars, stars, stars. I want to see planets and stars tonight. Meet the planets. The sun is a medium-sized star. All 9 of the planets in our solar system orbit the sun. The sun has been burning for about 5 billion years. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, is only a little larger than the moon. Its surface is covered with tall mountains and deep craters. Venus is a planet, but it is called the evening star because it is usually the first light we see shining in the evening sky. Earth, our home, is the only planet in which our solar system that we know supports life. Mars, the red planet, is about half the size of Earth. Mars looks red because it is covered with rust-colored soil. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that all of the other planets could fit inside of it. Saturn is not very dense and would float in water. Its rings are made of pieces of dust and ice varying from as small as a pea to as large as a car. Uranus spins on its side. The narrow ring around Uranus is made of black ice. Neptune, the blue planet, has winds that blow up to 1,500 miles per hour. Its blue color is caused by methane in its atmosphere. Pluto, the smallest planet, is smaller than the moon. Pluto is the farthest from the sun, as far as 4.6 billion miles. Meet the universe. A star is a giant ball of glowing gas. Stars twinkle because we see them through layers of moving air in Earth's atmosphere. A constellation is a group of stars that people connect with imaginary lines to form a design. There are 88 constellations in the sky. A sun is any star that is the center of a planetary system. Our sun is a medium-sized star. A planet is a large object that orbits a sun but doesn't make its own light. Planets reflect the light from the stars, but they don't twinkle because they are closer to Earth than stars are. Gravity is the force that keeps objects in orbit. Gravity keeps us from floating off Earth. A moon orbits a planet the way a planet orbits a sun. Some planets, such as Saturn, have many moons. And that's it for today. And now we're going to do our activity. Hey guys, so what we are going to be doing for writing today is we're going to do a writing prompt. What I want you to do is actually, since we read about the stars all week and planets specifically today, we talked a lot about the planets. What we're going to do is I'm going to give you like a journal entry writing prompt, and I want you to write about a planet that you would live on if you could. It could be a real planet, or you could make one up. That's totally fine. Who or what else lives there? What do those creatures do there? What do they eat? Tell me about them. So I did an example story here, and I will post a still of this photograph as well, but I'll read it to you. If I could live on a planet, it would be Saturn. I would live on the rings that circle the planet with my friends, the Monophyleamas. The Monophyleamas are a tiny race of people that collect stardust for granting wishes. I would help them give everyone their wishes and sprinkle the stardust over the universe. So that's my story, and I did like a little picture to match. That's my house on the rings of Saturn. But anyway, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and I really, really miss you. Okay, see you soon.